The segment is sponsored by Take Root Organics. As the new year begins, you may feel inspired by Veganuary challenges and sticking to your health and sustainability related resolutions. Chef Priyanka Naik is here with a New Year's guide to a healthy cooking on a budget. Welcome to the show, Chef Priyanka. Great to see you.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to talk about this.
Of course, we're happy to talk with you. Now, what are your go-to ingredients for adding big flavor but better for you dishes?
So there's two main go-to ingredients for me. The first are using organic produce that are sustainably grown, like Take Root Organics. They're a brand new line of canned tomatoes that are certified USDA organic, non-GMO, and they're grown in Central California. And the farmers have implemented practices to help protect the soil, so you know that what you're eating is not only good for you and your body, but it's good for the environment. And second is using whole dried spices. So I'm first generation Indian. I really like to lean in on my heritage, and I've traveled to 40 countries globally. So I like to incorporate all of those different techniques and flavors that I've learned and really bring that back to my kitchen.
Yes, that is so cool. Now, what dishes do you have in front of you? They look so yummy, and what inspired them?
So there's two of my favorites here. I really wish you were here to smell these and maybe even try them. The first is called pav bhaji. It's an Indian street food dish that's very popular from Mumbai. And every time I go to India and I land in Mumbai, the first thing I ask for is pav bhaji. It's a medley of vegetables that has been simmered with tomatoes being the core ingredient. So I've used Take Root Organics diced tomatoes and tomato paste in this with the special pav bhaji masala spice blend. And then it's topped on a toasted bun, which we call pav, some tangy pomegranate, fresh coriander, and green chilies. The second is my shakshuka. So I just got back from traveling around the Arabian Peninsula and I was eating so much shakshuka. I loved it, so I had to come home and recreate it. The base of this dish, it's a popular North African Middle Eastern dish. The base are tomatoes, red peppers, hot red chilies, some cumin, coriander, and it's traditionally made with eggs, but I've recreated the egg portion by using tofu, so this dish is completely vegan.
Delicious. Those look so good. Now, what simple changes can anyone make to minimize their footprint and focus more on zero waste with cooking with sustainable ingredients?
I think there's a few things that people can do. The first and foremost is people can be a little bit more thoughtful about what they purchase and especially what they bring home and cook in their kitchens. That's where Take Root Organics comes in. So focusing your purchases on organic produce that's accessible and affordable like Take Root Organics means that you're not only doing better for yourself, but you're doing better for the environment, as well as trying to minimize food wastage. So if you go out to eat to a restaurant or you get takeout and you have a bunch of leftovers, instead of just tossing that in the trash, you can actually repurpose those leftovers and recreate new dishes. So I love using white rice from my takeout orders and sauteing it with some Take Root Organics diced tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and some chilies to make a really easy and delicious tomato fried rice.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Chef Priyanka. It was great to see you. Thanks for all the tips. You can go to the information on your screen if you want more info. Thank you so much, Chef. Great to see you.
Thank you.